Siyempre.
What is that?
iPod Shuffle. Shuffle? iPod Shuffle.
Just to show you an example.
Siyempre, nandito po na lahat ng favorite songs ko. Favorite love songs ko nandito. Yan. Parang pwedeng up to more than 1,000 songs.
So I take 2 of that and call you in the morning? It's like an asshole. If one day you'll put a song... Hi, Mark Bautista.
Diba sobrang liit eh? Grabe.
Madami mong leading man dito.
Oo nga. Nakikenshi's.
Meron isang gwapo dyan, no?
Oo nga eh.
Sino yan? Sino yan?
Mr. Anderson.
Mr. Anderson. There he is. That is your next leading man, no?
Sir Martin, nakita ko rin si... Nasaan ba? Si Mr. Christian Bautista na dito rin sa atin. With Ate Cynthia.
See, he's there. I didn't know that he's in Indonesia.
Yeah. At nandito din si Mr. Mark Bautista.
Ano ba ka maselos, pare?
Tara.
Ako yung bagong love team ni Sarah ngayon.
At nandito rin si Jimmy Marquez, friend. Nandito ba si Miss Rachel Ann Go?
Where? I think she go. Because Wendt is not her last name.
Baka may work si Miss Rachel.
She's still going. When she's older, she'll be Rachel Ann Wendt. It's past.
Ano daw? Okay. Ang bagal. Ang bagal ko lang
I couldn't resist. But that Mr.
Pagkasama niyo si Sir
Anderson...
Martin, talaga nosebleed eh. Dapat
Nosebleed.
mabilis ka eh.
Pati ako sa Tagalog. Pero naubos yung Tagalog ko sa rehearsal. So, good luck tonight. Gerald Anderson is your next leading man, right?
Yes, Sir Martin.
Pero
Akalain mo, no?
Alam ko lahat. Basta ikaw yung schedule, alam ko lahat. Pero sinong leading man mo ngayon?
Ano po? Si Gerald Anderson. Sa amin na yun! Yes.
Just read the script. Ikaw, Tito Martin.
Yes!
Palagi tawag ka sa akin.
Eyes on the board!
Bakit tawag ka sa akin po?
Tito Martin Rivera!
Wag yung po.
Po.
Wag yung po, unless of course Winnie the Pooh ako. Pero hindi ako si Winnie the Pooh. Okay?
Sige, ho na lang, hi ho.
No, what even hi ho? Hindi ako Indian. Hi ho.
Sige po.
Martins. Martin, hey you, what's up?
Hey you, Martin.
What's up, dude? What's up? What's up with that?
Kuya na lang po, Kuya Martin.
Who's gonna believe?
Ano na naman daw? Hindi ko na naman nakaintindihan.
Sino maniniwala? Jerry, you getting this, Jerry? There's a guy here who doesn't speak any Tagalog. Love you. I am you. Ready?
Ready na, Sir
Wait, first, I have a question.
Yes.
Who has been married longer than me? No, just kidding. Who's been longer married than 10 years? 10 years married, 10 years. We'll start. 10 years? Where's your husband?
Pagkakataon na ito na mag-perform po para sa audience ng Araneta Coliseum dito sa Araneta. Maraming salamat. Napakasarap po sa pakiramdam talaga. Thank you. At of course, my entire Viva family. Maraming salamat kay Ma'am Veronique, kay Sir Vincent, kay Miss Tess, kay Miss Chai. Sir Jonathan Aligada, kay Miss Bambi, kay Tita June Terrejon. Nakita ko rin si Tita Ethel. Maraming salamat. Thank you po. Talaga naman po, ang daming sumuporta ngayong gabi. Maraming salamat po. Of course, to my ABS-CBN family, Miss Charo Santos Concho, Miss Cory Vidanes, Sir Deo, at ang aking home director, Direk May Cruz. Wow! Direk May, maraming salamat. Ay, ang sarap lang mo ng pakiramdam na gumagawa kami ng bagong pelikula, mga bagong katrabaho, a fresh new start. Diba? Bagong taon, bagong pag-asa. Bakit? Okay. And of course, thank you to my imaging team. AKA, the Transformers. Tama! My stylist, Mr. Eric Pebenito, Miss Melet Arzaga, include ko na rin si Miss Liz Uy. Oh, di ba? Mr. Michael Salientes, Mr. Juan Sarte, ang aking mga makeup artists. Dito si Sir Juan, dito si Sir Jean. Si Jeff Aramin, ba't ko ba nilalagyan na Mr.? Si Beyonce. Si Miss Lala Flores, dito si Miss Lala, dito si Miss Christine Duque. Okay, to my designers, Mr. Red Ayala, okay, Mr. Rahul Laurel, Carrie Santiago, and Tino Soto, maraming salamat. At gusto ko rin po pasalamatan si Miss Malu Santos and Direk Rory Quintos. Maraming salamat po. Andito po sila ngayon? Ay! Thank you po, hindi ko napansin. Naku, salamat po. Thank you po. And si Miss Grace Samson, Miss Pinky Tabiano, Miss Pinky. Nandito po kayo ngayon? Okay. Si Dr. Vicky Bello, si Miss Crystal, ang kanyang beautiful daughter, na ang sexy-sexy, si Ate Garlic Garcia, ang writer namin sa ASOB, si Miss Lerma, from Bello Essentials, si Sister Eugene Go, from Charmy, sana wala ko nakalimutan. At sa lahat po ng mga kaibigan natin from the press, maraming salamat po. And to my ever loyal Popsters, maraming salamat. Thank you, Popsters. At gusto ko rin pong ipaalam sa inyo lahat na pwede nyo na pong i-download ang aking pong... pwede nyo na pong i-download ang aking latest song na Sino Nga Ba Siya? Yan po ay composed by the hitmaker himself, Mr. Benny Saturno, who's here with us tonight, Sir Benny, and si Miss Jasmine. Po. Nadine! Jasmine, Nadine, uy, karayin naman. Nakakainis talaga. Memory gap po talaga. Pasensyahan niyo na ako. Okay, at ito po, just text Sarah and send to 2332 for Globe subscribers. To my Globe family, maraming salamat po kay Sir Archie. At pwede nyo na rin pong i-download ang full track at MP3 tone ng song na ito. Just go to m.allhits.ph/viva sa inyong cellphone web browser. Okay.